Maddie, and I'm going to teach you how to do this door handle on this closet. How you do it is you have to find a drill in your house, which I have this drill, and how you do it is there's some screws in here. That's where you have to put the drill through, so you can take it out and then just throw it in the garbage, because we're changing the door handles in our house. So if you're wondering how you do it, you can watch this video. How you do it is take a drill. You have to have the drill straight. Ready? If it doesn't come out all the way, do it again. See, it came out. Now, put it right there. Then we do the other one, and it's gonna come, and this is gonna come out all the way. Screw out. And then this one has none on it. So we're going to take this one and do the same thing. Same thing. You should have a light on your drill so you can see what you're doing, or if you don't have a light on your drill, you should turn the light on in the drill. We have to remember which door handle is which. This is the left. And the other door handle is the right. And you do not put it through the door handle. You have to put the screw on the drill, and put the door handle on the right one. Make sure it's even with the last one you took out. You have to push it the right way too. You have to put it through the door handle so the door handle goes on. See how it's hanging on there? We have to put the other one on the drill. I have to put it straight on the drill so I can get on there. Straight. Set. to hold the door handle or the whole door so it stays steady. You have to be careful when you're drilling too. It has to go all the way in so it's tight and no one pulls it off. Because when you open the door, it doesn't just fall off. It has to have hinges and a door handle. If it doesn't have hinges or a door handle, then no one could get in, and then there will be no door because there's no hinges. Now this one's done. I have to do the other one. First you have to put the screws in. These door handles are different. They don't turn. You just pull them to open it. Put the screw on the drill so you can drill it in. And you hold the door handle. You have to put this on the drill again so you can do the other one. Now our door handles are done, but the hinges don't match, so you have to do the hinges another day or today. So that was how you do the door handles, and same with this when you do a door handle that turns over just one door. This one has two doors, so it's a closet